Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Spotify.com. Click Login and sign in with the same account that has premium. If you usually log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple, choose that same method here. After you are logged in, click your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Account from the menu to open your Spotify account page. On the account page, find and click Manage Plan. Look for the section that shows your current plan and billing details. Scroll down until you see Change Plan. Click Change Plan to view all available plan options. Keep scrolling to the bottom of the plans page. Find the option that says Cancel Premium and click it. Spotify will show a page explaining what you will lose after canceling. Read the message carefully so you know premium features will stop after the next billing date. Click Continue to cancel to move to the next confirmation screen. Spotify may offer a discount or a different plan to keep you subscribed. If you still want to cancel, choose the option to continue with cancellation. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes, Cancel, or the final cancel button shown on your screen. Wait for the confirmation page that says your plan will change to Spotify free. Take a screenshot of the confirmation if you want proof for your records. Go back to Account and check the Your Plan section again. Make sure it shows a future date for when premium ends or shows free after the period ends. If you subscribe through Apple, open iPhone settings and tap your Apple ID name. Tap Subscriptions. Select Spotify, and then tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Select Spotify, and tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through a mobile carrier or a partner company, open your Spotify account page and check the billing provider. Follow the provider's cancellation link, because Spotify cannot cancel partner billed plans directly. Finally, check your email for a cancellation confirmation message from Spotify or your billing provider. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.